The Tamil Nadu police informed the Supreme Court on Friday, October 18, that in last few years some missing persons complaints and inquiry on suicides relating to the Isha Yoga Center have been filed. The police also stated that the alleged detainees in the ongoing habeas corpus case have been living at the center as per their free will. The affidavit states that in the last 15 years, the Alanthura police station, which has the Isha Foundation within its jurisdiction, has registered 6 missing cases, of which 5 had been dropped and the 6th one is under investigation since the missing person has not been traced. Additionally, in the last 15 years, 7 cases under S. 174 SUPC, police inquiry on suicides, have been registered, out of which 2 cases are under investigation for want of forensic lab report. With respect to the present case of habeas corpus filed by the father of the 2 monk sisters Mamati and Mamayu, the police noted that the monks are living voluntarily, and have been in regular touch with the parents. 10 phone calls were made in 2024 between them, and a total of 70 calls were made between the mother and Mamati. The monks have informed the police that they are living happily in Isha Yoga Center in the path of monkhood, and they requested their parents to not tell any liars about them and the institution in public and not to disturb their path. The report filed through Audi Kumanan states that as of October 1, there are 217 brahmacharis, 2,455 volunteers, 891 paid staffs, 147 paid workers, 342 Isha home school students, 175 Isha Sanskriti students, 704 visitors/guests from overseas and 912 guests at cottage residing at the Isha Yoga Center. A crematorium in the name of Pulabe Ravataganamandapam inside the yoga center is also being constructed. However, one SN Swaramanian who has property adjacent to the foundation has raised objections to this and moved to Madras High Court for removal of the construction. The team of experts, including individuals from the Social Welfare Department of Coimbatore and psychiatrists, informed that as per a random survey done within the premises, 45 students from Isha Home School and Sanskriti opined the need for increased awareness programs about child helplines, child rights and POSO Act. Few persons have also reported to have mood swings, but time is sought for observing such cases in detail. Further, several women workers, visitors and brahmacharis opine that they are living at the center voluntarily without any compulsion. However, it was noted that the Internal Complaints Committee under the POSH Act is not functioning properly and a notice has been served into that effect. Other cases against members of Isha Foundation. 1. A case of POSO has been registered against one Dr. Sawanamurthy who was employed by Isha Outreach for inappropriately touching young schoolgirls during periodical checkups by the mobile health center set up by the foundation at a government high school, Nadu. Presently investigation is ongoing with recorded statement of totally 9 victim girls. Complaint against the doctor was filed on September 3. 2. A case of rape US 376 IPC has been registered by a woman from Delhi who visited the yoga center for a course and was allegedly raped by another participant named Naveen who came to her room after she slept taking sleeping pills on September 7, 2021. The investigation has now been transferred from Delhi to Coimbatore after the victim registered a 0 FIR. 3. A case of criminal intimidation US 341, 506 IPC read with S.3 of TNPPDL Act was registered against 15 members of the Isha Yoga Center who threatened and damaged the vehicle of the complainant who has come to verify claims of the center's illegal encroachment of tribal land measuring 44.3 acres. On the last hearing, the court restrained the Tamil Nadu police from conducting any further inquiry against the Isha Yoga Center. It also transferred the habeas corpus petition, in which the High Court passed the order, from the High Court to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court further asked the police to submit the status report to it. Case details: Isha Foundation vs S. Kamraj and ORS. SLPCRL number 13992/2024.